Hello everybody, I'm here with another review. This is the laundry detergent review. This was requested by Caitlin. It's the Method laundry detergent. Okay, so this is the Beach Sage with plant-based stain lifting power, powerful stain lifter, brightens colors and whites, fragrance that lasts. This is the 1.58 liters. It does 66 loads. That's what it looks like. Caitlin had requested a different Method detergent, but this is what I had on hand. I'm gonna look for the other one. So it says this makes good sense. Concentrated liquid, powerful stain lifter, fragrance that lasts, hypoallergenic formula, works in cold water. That's good. So they give you all the directions how to wash it and everything. This was expensive. This was, I think it was $15 or $16.99, and I brought it a while ago. I didn't use it yet. So actually, I'm glad that she requested it so I could, start using it. I have so much stuff, y'all. So I'm gonna go in the laundry room. I won't be able to do much talking. I'm not gonna drag this video on because my camera may cut off and I don't want it to do that. So I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna start washing, and then I'm gonna tell you how this detergent is, okay? I'm washing light clothes today. So I'm putting the rest of this stuff in there. We're going to put one capsule in there. It smells really good. So my clothes are done. They are nice and clean. Look how clean that towel is. Very clean. And the smell smells so good. It has that herbal, sagey smell. because it is the beach sage, as I stated before, and it smells so good. I do have some bath cloths that didn't get really bright, and I put them in there for a reason, to see whether, I put them in the wash to see whether they would really get clean, and they didn't. I'm not going to even show them on camera. Here is another one, but that got clean. That's really clean, but the other ones are still real dingy looking, and I'm going to throw those away. But I just wanted to see how well this detergent cleans. I'm so in love with the smell that I'm going to buy some again, even though it's expensive, because I really, really like it. I'm going to show it to you again. So this is it, you guys. I like this detergent a lot, and it is pretty expensive. I'm gonna look for some coupons, but I want to try the other varieties of the Method laundry detergent. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye.